InvenAsset allows you to flexibly track products not only by package, but also by any usage unit you need. To do this, set the desired usage units in the Usage Units field inside the Basic Information section. This is useful when, for example, a supplier delivers detergent in a 3-gallon container, but you want to use it later by dispensing 1 gallon at a time. In this case, select gallons as the usage units. You can also select pieces if, for example, you receive a pack of 10 hangers, but want to use them one at a time and track inventory by individual pieces. Select the usage units, then enter the package size as 10 pieces. It is also worth noting usage units in percentages. In this case, for example, if a supplier delivers a barrel of detergent, the full barrel is counted as 100%. Later, you simply enter how much you used as a percentage of the original amount in the barrel. Once you have selected the usage units you need, move on to the Supplier section. First, select the supplier you order this product from. Then enter the supplier's product ID or SKU and select or create the pack type, such as bottle. The pack size is a very important setting. You need to enter the quantity in the selected usage units, not the number of packages. For example, if you order one bottle that contains 10 gallons, enter 10 gallons as the pack size. For pack price, enter the price of one bottle. If the supplier offers different package sizes for the same product, you can add another row with the additional package option. In this case, when creating an order, the system will try to choose the most efficient package size for you. For example, if the supplier also offers the same detergent in 15-gallon bottles, create a new row and enter 15 gallons as the pack size. This way, you can add as many package options as your supplier offers. You can also add a row for another supplier. For example, if your main supplier is temporarily out of this product, you can order it from another supplier by adding their package option and price. Next, set the par level, also in your selected usage units. When the stock quantity drops below this value, the product will be marked as needing to be reordered. Next, you can optionally add a product image, and if you want to use a scanner or search by barcode, add the product barcode as well. After saving, you will see your product in the table, and its stock quantity will now be tracked in the selected usage units. To learn how to create a purchase order using usage units, go to the Purchase section and watch the Purchase in Usage Units video.